Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. It's your boy Albert here. Thank y'all for tuning in today. So the guys over at 6 Cents went ahead and shipped me out this package right here. And what this is, guys, if you haven't checked them out on Instagram yet, they pretty much just sell air fresheners for your car, guys, or for your house, restroom, wherever you want to have it, businesses, you name it. So for me, guys, I go ahead and I do use these right here. I actually get them off of Walmart. But honestly, guys, I told them I was going to do a review on YouTube. They said it was okay, and they did provide me with the 10% off code for you guys, which I will leave at the end of the video if I do recommend it. So I am going to be really honest with you guys if I recommend this or not. So right off the bat, guys, the packaging on this is really nice. You have this like matte black packaging with their logo in the front. So when we go ahead and open it, it's brand new. It's the first time I'm checking it out. So hold on. As soon as I took off this right here, like the scent hit me. I did order like 3-4 different scents, so I usually do get cherry, and I went ahead and got new car, cherry, and bubblegum. Wow, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, the scent hits you like right in the face right away. I know I have 3 different scents, but let's see what we got here. Thank you so much for the support. All right, so they went ahead and wrote this down. You can say this is a new car scent. It tells you what scent you got. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's better than your average little trees that you get off of like Walmart. I mean, don't get me wrong, the ice scents from Walmart smell really, really good. But I mean, this is, I guess it looks aesthetically pleasing to the eye. It just looks cooler to have. So you do have this one right here, and cherry, which is like in a red tint. So I'm guessing they all like color match to the scent you have. So bubblegum is like a purple pinkish color, and then I have cherry obviously with like a red, and the ice one is a gray and black. And honestly, so I don't know which one to go with, guys. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get cherry just because I always have cherry scents in my car, so I'll be able to tell the difference if it smells like kind of same to the other ones that I usually get that you can get off of Walmart, or is it kind of a distinct smell. So they do come in this like plastic little covers right here. Go ahead and open it. All right, yeah. So it is kind of different. Let me see. So this smells, I want to say, stronger than this, and these are really good, guys. I'm not gonna like bash them. This thing lasts me like pretty much a whole month, and it's strong. I always get a lot of compliments from it, but man, this thing it's pretty freaking good, man. I'm not gonna lie. Here it is. You can hang it anywhere you want. I know they advertise you can have them in your car, in the restroom, or wherever you want to have them at. But they do look cool. I'm gonna leave it here right in the front. I'm gonna leave it there for maybe a day. See if it's pretty good. I mean, right, like I said, right off the bat, the scent hits you hard in the face. Not like overly powerful where like you can't stand it, but enough to notice it. So I mean, I do have these. I'm gonna go ahead and try the bubblegum one on my wife's truck. Let's see how that smells. All right, guys, so I'm in the wife's truck. I did bring the bubblegum, I want to say flavor, but the bubblegum scented one. And I mean, it still smells like a new truck. We have about a month with it maybe. So this one should be a lot more distinguishable when it comes to the scent. And the bubblegum, more of a, kind of smells like soap, but like a good soap. All right. Yeah, no. No. Yeah, it's bubblegum. It's like that, it smells like that Hubba Bubba Max gum. So actually smells pretty good. And I know they do have like ocean breeze, watermelon, bubblegum, cherry, the ice one. But now that I smelled all 3, guys, I haven't even opened the ice one, and let me tell you, ice is the strongest of the 3. What I like about that ice scent, it's kind of like a masculine scent to the vehicle. That's why I really liked ice. But cherry, I don't know why I've gone with cherry like since I've got the car. I've tried ice a few times, and I really do prefer ice over cherry. It's just, I don't know, because the car's red, I'm attracted to the cherry one. But yeah, guys, I'm honestly gonna give them a good 8 out of 10. The bubblegum one is not as strong as the cherry one, and the cherry one is not as strong as the ice one, but you can tell right away. Again, they do look cool to have. It's just aesthetically pleasing to the eye. It just looks better than having like a little can or the pine tree hanging. So I do have a discount code for you guys, since I actually did like the product, and I probably will be ordering more from them. So I didn't want to give you guys, I didn't want to give you like false advertisement. I don't want to advertise something that I don't use or I don't want to use. I want to be that guy, you know, sell you something that's not good quality. And this is good quality, guys. I do recommend you guys to actually go ahead and try 6 Cents. My friend Chris Brown and Memo just went ahead and ordered some, and they really liked them, actually. So I'm the 3rd guy out of the group that gets them, and another satisfied customer. So the code, guys, is for 10% off. You can go ahead and use my code. I'm not getting paid for it. It's just a discount code that I get to give you guys, and it is Albert S197, guys. So it is Albert S197. Go ahead. You're gonna get 10% off your code. Go show them some love on Instagram. So if you guys are interested in a giveaway, make sure you comment down below. Let me know, guys. Maybe I can work with them. See if we can do something for you guys. Again, use my code Albert S197. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless. So I am filming this obviously hours later, and I'm gonna go ahead and ask my wife, what do you rate the scent?
It's really good.
It's really good. 1 to 10?
At 10. Honestly, I
At 10? Okay, so I haven't told her what scent I put in her truck. Okay, never mind. I was about to ask her, what does it smell like?
It
So,
smells like chicle.
like chicle. For those of you guys who don't know Spanish, chicle means bubblegum. But yeah, guys, the scent I did put on the truck, if you all recall, was bubblegum. So it does smell like bubblegum. And
Really good. Without you telling me, I was like, what the heck?
So,
I'm curious for the cherry one.
the cherry one smells really good, actually. But yeah, guys, there you go. There you have it. I know we're driving kind of late at night, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, this is 100% true. Like, I'm not even like making like a false advertisement here. I hadn't told her. I didn't even tell her I had put the scent, the deodorant inside her truck. So there you go. There you have it, guys. Take my recommendation. If you guys again are interested in it, go check them out.